Chapter 1: Input, Output, and Storage Devices. So, students, have you ever washed clothes? You put dirty clothes in a machine, and these clothes are then washed by the machine to give you clean clothes, right? You dry these clothes, then store them in a cupboard. Okay, so a computer works in the same way. You enter information into the computer with the help of put devices. Okay, the CPU processes the information and you receive the output through output devices. So this output is then stored in storage devices. Okay, so in today's video we will learn about devices. Okay, you all have know, so computer have three type of devices. Okay, input, output, and storage devices. So what is input devices? So devices through which you give instruction or enter data into a computer are called input devices. So let's have a look at this. What are input devices? There are different types of input devices. So first is keyboard. A keyboard is an output device used to enter or type letters and numbers into a computer. So you all have known about keyboard. Keyboard used to enter data, okay? And it used to type letters and numbers. So the keyboard has different keys like the alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys to enter data. Now, next is mouse. A mouse is used to select objects, open files and folders, point at or move objects on a computer. Whenever you move the mouse cursor also moves on the monitor. Okay, you might have seen whenever you move the mouse, you will see on the screen that cursor will also move. Okay, that is the use of mouse. So we can click anywhere in the computer on the screen, and a mouse has two buttons to click: right click or left click, and the scroll wheels is used to move pages on the monitor up and down. So scroll wheels है वो move करने के लिए होता है pages को up और down करने के लिए. Okay, so this is the use of mouse. Next is microphone. What is microphone? So students, a microphone is used to record your voice, sound and music into a computer. Okay. Sometimes a microphone is attached to headphones. You might be using headphones, right? That we use to listen songs. So sometimes a microphone is attached to headphones. Okay. This is known as a headset. Next is joystick. You all like to play the games. Okay, so what is the use of joystick? This is the use. The joystick is used to play games on a computer. It is used to move the objects in a game. Next is trackball. A trackball can be used in place of a mouse. So we can use a trackball of a place of a mouse. Okay, हम trackball को mouse की place पे भी use कर सकते हैं. इसका same exact work होता है जो mouse का होता है. It can be used to select objects or open files and folders on a computer. A trackball has a ball which is used to move the cursor on a screen. Okay, माउस में जो जो स्क्रॉल बार होता है उससे हम स्क्रॉल कर सकते हैं, बट उसकी जगह ट्रैक बॉल में एक ट्रैक बॉल होता है जिसे हम कर्सर को मूव कर सकते हैं ऑन द स्क्रीन. नेक्स्ट इज स्कैनर. A scanner is used to scan photos. Okay, स्कैनर यूज होता है आपकी फोटोज को स्कैन करने के लिए और डॉक्यूमेंट्स को स्कैन करने के लिए. The scanned copy are then transferred to the computer, which can be viewed on the monitor. Okay, that we can view on the monitor. Web camera. A web camera is used to capture photos. Okay, what is the use of web camera? So it can capture your photos whenever you will sit in front of computer. Okay, एग्जैक्ट कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठोगे और वहाँ पे वेब कैमरा लगा होता है, तो वो आपकी पिक्चर को क्लिक करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. You can also use the web camera to chat with your friends over the internet. Okay, most laptops have inbuilt cameras. Light pen. A light pen is mainly used to draw pictures on a computer. What is the use of light pen? Okay, so you can draw any pictures in your phone or on a computer. Okay, you might have known about this. आपने किसी फ़ोन के साथ एक पेन देखा होगा, ठीक है, जिसके थ्रू हम फ़ोन को ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वो लाइट पेन की तरह ही वर्क करता है. सो light pen is mainly used to draw pictures. Okay, you can use light pen just like you see pencils on your notebook. Touch screen. A touch screen is used to select objects. Okay, so touch screen का यूज़ होता है ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल योर फोन. ओके, योर फोन, you use touch screen in your phone. Okay, so you select objects. Okay, so you type letters or draw pictures using your fingers, so that you have to use your fingers, and this is the role of touch screen. You can find touch screens in latest laptops, tablets and mobile phones. So this is input this topic is about input devices, and I hope you have learned about input devices. Okay.